Find or read reviews that people are talking about EUASOO 24Lbs portable washer and dryer. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Powerful performance. The portable washing machine and dryer combo is equipped with a strong motor that spins at 1,600 rotations per minute, along with 360 watts washing power and 160 watts spin drying power, helping you save time and freeing up your hands. Compact twin tub washing design. The portable washing machine features separate washing and spin drying tubs, with a compact design that is convenient to operate, saving you a lot of time and eliminating the need to go to a laundromat or hand wash clothes in a bathtub. Semi-automatic control. 4 independent control knobs allow you to adjust washing time, intensity, and spin drying time separately. The panel also has inlet/outlet ports for connecting hoses, making it easy to fill with water. Easy to operate. Upon receiving the portable washing machine and dryer combo, there is no need for installation, simply insert the hose into the water inlet to start using it. The washing tub has a filter, and the washing machine is equipped with a drainage pump for efficient water drainage. Wide application. The portable washing machine weighs approximately 42 pounds and has dimensions of 28.2 x 17.2 x 35.4 inch, making it suitable for use in dorms, apartments, bathrooms, and more, without taking up too much space in the entire house. Additionally, the noise level is below 20 decibels, ensuring quiet operation. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.